And today I'm going to show you the electrics wiring of the Unimog 425 by Tamiya. So first you have your steering. Next you grab this thing with all the wires coming out of it and you get your battery pack. Then you clip the red goes straight into the other red and the black goes straight into the other black. That clips in. Next, you get your controller antenna box, and you get this, and get your the wire coming out from the steering box, and put it into channel 2 or channel 1, and then you get the one from the from this box going into channel 2. Once that's in, you get your remote and you turn it on just like that. The blue light should turn on. Now the steering works. And then to that you plug this blue cable coming out from this box, and you put it into the green cable, just like that. Then you get your put it into the yellow cable, just like that. And then you get your green cable and put it to the other yellow cable, just like that. Then you get your remote, and driving forwards and backwards should work. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.